What if growing old did not mean growing forgetful? What if your brain at 80 could work just like it did at the age of, say, 40? Scientists say some people are already doing this, but how exactly? Scientists studying super agers, as they are called, have found something remarkable. Their brains do not shrink at the same rate as most people their age. Key memory regions, particularly areas linked to attention and recall, remain thicker and more active. Brain scans showing stronger connectivity in regions associated with focus, executive function. Some studies suggesting higher levels of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself, and even continued neurogenesis, the creation of new neurons later in life. In simple terms, their brains stay flexible. Researchers saying the superagers, or those who are 80 years old, possess a unique structural advantage. While the average brain loses volume, theirs stays robust, powered by a process called neurogenesis. They are not just holding on to old memories, they are physically growing new neural pathways well into their 80s and 90s. And scientists say the brains of superagers contain more newly developed neurons than younger adults in their 30s and 40s. Researchers also found out that those in their 80s tend to be positive and challenge their brain every day by reading or learning learning something new, in fact. And many are physically active and continue to work into their 80s. Science now also proving that high-intensity mental engagement triggers the release of specific growth factors that actually shield the mind against dementia. The message here is quite simple. The brain is a muscle. It demands a workout. Just to put it simply, if you don't challenge the machine, it ends up rusting. And if you do, then your brain remains robust.